In this video, let's talk about the sum and the product of the roots of quadratic functions. The quadratic function is in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. Obviously, may dalawang solutions yan or dalawang roots. And ang theory, the sum is the value negative b over a. Tapos yung product naman ng mga roots is the value c over a or c divided by a. Ngayon, i-adjust natin ng kaunti ito. What if i-divide ko both sides by a, like this one? Obviously, cancelled out to. Bali, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared and then plus b over a x plus c over a equals, eto, 0 divided by a, 0 pa rin yan. Ngayon, rewrite pa natin. Itong plus, I can write that as minus tapos negative. Negative b over a x tapos plus c over a equals 0. Ngayon, pansin natin itong negative b over a dito, ayan yung sum. Tapos yung c over a naman, ito yung product ng roots. So basically, we can write this as x squared minus the sum times x plus the product c over a or p equals 0. So tandaan natin to. Ito yung sum formula, yung product formula, saka ito. Mag-solve tayo ng ilang example problems. Halimbawa, meron tayong quadratic equation na x squared minus 8x, let's say plus 15 equals 0. Ano yung sum and product of the roots niyan? Ngayon, pwede nyo isolve yan. Like, if-factor muna ninyo. So, alam natin ang factored form niyan ay product of two binomials, x dito, equals 0. Tapos, isip kayo ng two values na ang product ay 15 while the sum is negative 8. So, yung two numbers na yun ay negative 5, negative 3. Diba? Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15 while negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8. Tapos, kapag sinolve natin, by zero product property, x minus 5 equals 0. So, x sub 1 is equal to positive 5. Tapos, yung isang root naman is x minus 3 equals 0. Bale, x sub 2 is equal to positive 3. So, yung sum ng roots, yung s, is simply 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. While the product of the roots is 5 times 3, which is 15. Hindi ba? Pero medyo mahaba yan. Ang mas madaling solution is yung binanggit ko kaninang formula. So, ito, nasa formula ng ax squared plus bx plus c. And ang value ng a natin dito is 1. Ito, yung leading coefficient. Yung b naman, yung linear coefficient is negative 8. Tapos yung c is yung constant term, positive 15. According sa formula kanina, the sum of the roots is equal to negative b divided by a, di ba? Substitute natin. Negative b, ang p natin ay negative 8. So, negative 8 over a is 1. Therefore, the sum is equal to negative times negative is positive. And positive 8 divided by 1 is positive 8. So, yan, pareho nakuha natin dito. Diba? Sum. Tapos sa product naman, ang formula ay c divided by a. The value of c is 15, a is 1. So, 15 divided by 1 or simply the product is equal to positive 15. Parehas lang nang nakuha natin ulit dito. So, ito yung sum, ito yung product. Hindi ba? Mas mabilis gawin yung solution dito. Meron lang tayong formula, unlike mag-solve pa kayo ng factoring. That is the concept of the sum and product of the roots. Mahanap natin yung sum and product ng mga solutions or roots without even solving this quadratic equation. Another example, x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Hanapin natin yung sum and product of the roots without solving, okay? Without factoring. And we know that the leading coefficient A is 1 right here. Tapos yung linear coefficient B is negative 7. While yung constant term natin is positive 10. According sa formula, the sum of the roots is equal to negative B over A. Substitute tayo. Negative B, ang P natin ay negative 7. So, negative 7 divided by A, which is 1. Therefore, the sum is equal to negative times negative is positive 7. And positive 7 divided by 1 is positive 7. So, ayan yung sum. While the product of the roots is equal to the C over A ratio. C is 10 right here. Divided by A is 1. And 10 divided by 1 is 10. The product of the roots is 10. This is the sum. This is the product. Next, hanapin natin yung sum and product of the roots of this quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0 without factoring. Okay, the leading coefficient A is 3. The linear coefficient B is positive 2. The constant term is positive 5. The sum of the roots is negative B divided by A. Substitute tayo. Negative B, the value of B is 2, over A, the value of A is 3. So we can say that the sum of the roots is negative 2/3. Tapos yung product naman, C divided by A. C is 5, A is 3. Therefore, 5 over 3. The product is 5 over 3. This is the sum. This is the product. How about this one? Say we have 2x squared minus 3x, let's say plus 1/2 equals 0. Hanapin natin yung sum and product of the roots without factoring. Alright. Yung leading coefficient natin is 2 right here. Yung linear coefficient P is negative 3. While the constant term C is positive 1/2. The sum of the roots is equal to negative P divided by A. Substitute tayo. Negative P, the value of P is negative 3. Divided by A, the value of A is 2. And then negative times negative is positive. Therefore, the sum is equal to positive 3 over 2. While sa product naman, the product is C divided by A. The constant term is 1/2. So 1/2 divided by the value of A, and A is 2. Kapag simplify natin yan, it becomes 1/2 times 1/2. Okay? And this becomes 1/4. So we can say that the product of the roots is 1/4. This is the sum, and this is the product. Next problem. A quadratic equation has roots 3 and negative 4. Write the quadratic equation. This time, medyo kakaiba yung problem. Binigay sa atin yung mga roots ng quadratic equation, and this time hahanapin natin kung ano yung quadratic equation. Okay? So, una, para sa sum and product of the roots, madali lang. Kasi binigay na ngayong roots, 3 and negative 4. Therefore, yung sum of the roots should be 3 and then plus negative 4. 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. While the product of the roots is 3 times negative 4. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Ayan yung value ng S saka ng P. And according sa formula kanina, ang quadratic function in standard form is x squared minus S, which is the sum of the roots, x, and then plus P equals 0. Substitute natin yung S saka yung P. Okay? So, x squared minus S, ang S natin ay negative 1. And then, plus P. The value of P, or the product of the roots, is negative 12. Tapos, simplify na lang natin. Negative times negative is positive. X squared plus 1x, or simply plus x. Tapos, positive times negative is negative. Minus 12 equals 0. Ito yung ating quadratic equation.